Welcome to GoodWe training series. Today we will take you through the installation and configuration of parallel inverter system of ETLV. We are demonstrating parallel operation of ETLV with different power ratings. The matched battery is the Lynx AG3 14.3 kWh. Installation of the inverter. These are two inverters that have already been mounted. First, we will remove the front cover plates of the inverter one by one. Prepare the cables and assemble two sets of DC terminal assemblies. Connect the positive and negative terminals of a set of DC cables to the master inverter. Next, make the AC power cable. Secure to L1, L2, L3, and N respectively. Also connect the AC cable from the slave inverter side. Parallel operation of the inverter. Prepare a communication cable. Unscrew the plug at the bottom of the inverter. As shown in the video, install the plug on the communication cable. Finally, connect the cables to the inverter. Connect the other end of the cable to the slave inverter. We need to use an electric meter. Connect both ends of the RS485 cable to the terminals. Connect one terminal to the master inverter. The other side connects to the electricity meter. Connect the cables from the 3 CTs to the corresponding terminals on the electricity meter. Finally, power the electricity meter through the distribution box. Prepare battery cables and make terminals. Connect the master and slave inverter to their respective batteries. Do not forget the ground wires for the two batteries. Prepare another communication cable. Connect the inverter to the battery for communication. Next, we will establish communication links between the batteries. Connect the communication module to the master and slave inverter respectively. Turn on the switches for the inverter and battery. The parallel connection of the ETLV is now complete. If multiple inverters are connected in parallel, it is recommended to use a combiner box. After connecting the battery cables to the inverter, connect the other end to the combiner box. The slave inverter is also connected to the combiner box. Prepare and assemble 4 cables for connecting the battery. Connect one end of the cable to the positive and negative terminals of the battery, and the other end to the combiner box. The battery match to the slave inverter is connected in the same manner. After the master and slave inverter are connected in parallel, connect the master inverter to the combiner box using another communication cable. The next step is to establish a communication link between the two batteries. Connect the main battery to the combiner box for communication. LCD screen settings. Click the settings button in the upper right corner. Click parallel system settings. Designate one of the inverters as the master unit. The other inverter is designated as the slave unit. First, open the app. Select the corresponding signal for connecting the inverter with Bluetooth. Enter the password 1111. You will be prompted to change your password after logging in. Reset your login password. Click Settings. Click Quick Settings. Enter the password 1111. Click Settings mode. Set safety code based on actual conditions. Next, we select the battery model. Select the corresponding battery model for connection. Next, select the operating mode. Click Start for system self-test. Quick setting is complete. Back to the main screen. Click Settings. Click Parallel System Settings. Configure the master and slave inverter. Thank you for watching. For more installation and configuration videos of GoodWe training series, please visit our GoodWe community and stay tuned to our official account.